work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So some about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the girls and her, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. No time to have you lurking. Yeah. You make a back, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience.
Hey! Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, bbmirasworld. Here again, if you're stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. Welcome to my humble abode here in Lome Togo. So this is going to be my home for the next 3-4 days or however period of time I'm going to spend here in Lome Togo. And I just thought it is simple, cute, nice, you know, cozy and comfortable, and then most importantly, budget friendly. So I said to tour this place with you. Come, let's check out this place. So we are going to be starting from here. So guys, when you enter this room, by your right is this balcony. So there is this small balcony here, and there is this beautiful chairs here. I think it's mostly for 2 people. If you have someone you want to talk to, you just come outside, talk to the person. There is fresh air, and most importantly, I don't know if this is an artificial lake or it's an abandoned land. I don't know what this is all about, but the view is, you know, adding up. It is given. And then this hotel is very close to the express. Here, this place is just the center of the city, so you can go anywhere from this place. So it is very close to the road. The site is giving, everything is giving, and that's all for the passage. Come in. And then there's this queen size bed here. You know I have a travel body which is behind the camera. Say hi. Hi guys. And I think this would fit both of us. And then there's this bedside light. Wow, looks amazing. Yeah, basically the room is small, but it's very cozy and, you know, comfortable. And then I like this kente. I think this is called kente. Maybe Togo has signature kente as well. But yeah, they use it for the curtain, and if you feel like it's too bright, you can actually close it, and then when you're done outside too, you can actually close it. And then right here is this television, this sizable television. I think they connected a media card or something. I don't know what this is all about. We've not tried turning it on, so when we do, we'll know. There's also reception contact if in case you want to order for food or something. I think this place have a roof. I think this place have a rooftop where you can order for food. I'll show you guys as soon as possible. So basically, this is it for this part of the room. Moving over to this part of the room is a table with no chair. I don't know the reason. Oh, my laptop is already here, and remote for television. I think the other small button is like Go TV or something like that. I don't know what this is. There's an artwork here, sitting very pretty. And then there is this small wardrobe, because this is tiny, and then all our stuffs are in here. Last but not the least, oh, I forgot to mention there's an AC over there. And also look at this lightning, guys. This lightning is mad. It gives the room a good feel, you know. Yeah. So basically that is it for the room. Let's go into the bathroom. So the bathroom. So basically this is what the bathroom is like. There's a sink here. There's normal toilet and all of that, shower, and then lastly the heater. And then there is this window over here. I think they have running water, and basically that is it for the bathroom. So that's basically all for the room. I'm gonna be taking you guys outside. I will just show you what the balcony, the stairs, and the rooftop looks like. Let's go. Yeah. So this is what the balcony looks like. It's just a straight, tiny balcony. And then when you get here, you will see this dustbin and this flower. This stairs leads to downstairs where the reception is located, and this one leads upstairs to the rooftop. There's this decor here as well. And that's my friend running to go and eat, always hungry. Then this is the second floor. There is an artwork, flower. And then way to the rooftop. So basically this is what the rooftop looks like, and this is the road. It is really giving, like, guys, literally it is so beautiful. And then from here you can see this water view I told you guys about earlier. Because it has been raining since today, they had to pack some of the chairs, but this place that has a cover, they left the chairs and the table, so we're just gonna go there, sit and order our food. So the next morning we went to the rooftop for breakfast, and really I feel like this hotel is budget friendly. It's just 20,000 CFA. If you're booking for more than 3 days, you get like a 1,000 CFA discount. The breakfast was served. It was delicious. It came with a fresh juice. It also came with this sauce and the normal bread that they use here in Benin. The sauce is really nice when you eat it with the bread. Overall, I feel like it's very, very yummy. And then they will ask for your choice of tea, either tea, coffee, or whatever it is you want to have. This is me trying to eat because I cannot come and kill myself. Food is nice there. So we finished and we headed back to our room. Guys, this breakfast is the highlight, and then the view from the rooftop is also the highlight. I feel like these balconies are too small. I'll quickly show you what the reception looks like. I feel like this place is small and they really managed it very well. Yes, this place is called Grace Lounge, and this is what it looks like. So guys, basically this brings us to the end of this tour. I recommend this if you're traveling on a budget and if you want to stay in the center of the city. I don't know if it's so central because I just came in, but that was what I was told. So I hope this helped someone out there, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed a few minutes. And I'll let you drop your comments below in the comment section. Let me know what you want to know or the kind of videos you want me to make in Lome Togo, and I am hoping to see it on time and do just that. Please endeavor to like this video, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. And until then,